Alright guys, welcome back. We got another install VIN review video today. We're going to be doing the wireless charger for the 21 and up F-150. So this is the old space. You kind of just throw your chapstick and your junk and your phone in there. But BOOSTAUTO makes a wireless charger to go in there. So we're going to have to remove the entire center console. So we have one bolt in the back towards the floorboard and another bolt by the seat. And then two bolts and that's on each side, and then two bolts in the back that you get from the rear, from the back seat. You got to push the seats all the way forward to get to those. You're going to take off this trim piece, same thing on both sides. This is the one in the back. You're going to take off this top trim piece. These are all just like those little, I guess you can call them pop clips, but they're the little metal clips you can see on the left here. They just kind of slide in. Once you take that out, there's going to be two more bolts, again, one at the front, one at the back. They're going to be black bolts. You're going to see us take those out here in a second. So we have that bolt to the left. You also want to disconnect these connections. Make sure your battery terminal is off before you do this. And but if you have power seats, make sure you move your seat and take out your bolts first, because we disconnected the battery and then we had to plug it back in to move the seats again. So you're going to disconnect this big gray cable on the passenger side, and then in the same spot there's that little black cable that you saw previously, which is right here. So it's a pretty easy install. It's mainly plug and play here. Then you're going to slide this center console back, and this is so that you can get to these top little screw holes underneath this. Once you remove this trim piece, you're also going to want to disconnect the he's got the lights in his cup holders. We're going to disconnect that. So now we're going to remove these two bolts here, and this is going to allow us to remove this tray, take this plastic piece out, put in the wireless charger plastic piece, and we're going to drill a little hole for the cable to go from the wireless charger to come out the bottom here, and then we're going to plug into the power that's already coming into the center console. We're going to tap into basically a positive and a negative, and that's how it's going to get its 12 volt power. So this is us right here. You're going to take these two taps here, and you're going to tap into two pins. Very easy. I think it's pin 3 is one of them, and then it's going to be pin 1 on the other. BOOSTAUTO has a guide that can walk you through more step by step, but this is just a quick install to kind of see how easy it is, and if this is a product you'd like to purchase from them. So this is the wireless charger in. This has those two ends that you just kind of plug in, one to one, one to the other. And then you're just going to put everything back together. You're going to put these two screws in. Obviously, you're going to do the reverse order. Then the cup holder tray is going to pop back in. Then you're going to slide it forward, push your bolt, tie your bolts in, re-plug in your connections. Then you can hook the battery back up. So this is the wireless charger all done. So if you see all the way on the right, you see a little red light. That means it's not charging anything. There's a little spot to the left of it. That's how you know something's charging. You'll see that turn green. As you can see, it charges very quickly, sees it very easily. There's also a little button you can do to turn it off in case you wanted to, put something metal there and you were nervous, but you could actually turn the wireless charger off by pushing the button in the middle. It's like a little tiny little button. So it doesn't need to be on perfectly straight, which is one thing that I wanted to check. Can you kind of just like throw your phone in? You can, but you can't. It's got to be somewhat center. So like right here, it's not charging. And once I put it in the center, charges up. My brother's been using this now for 3 weeks, and he uses it every single day. Because he has the wireless CarPlay in his truck, he uses it nonstop because he doesn't need to plug in his phone. So he noticed, on long drives and stuff, he was, he's like, oh man, I need to plug in my phone. It's starting to go dead. So now he can just leave his phone here. He has CarPlay, so he doesn't need to touch his phone. He's like, I'm texting and driving less. He's like, this thing is awesome. So if you guys want to grab one of these, I will have the link in the description for both their install video and to get to their webpage to buy one of these. Fits on the 21 Plus F-150. Yeah, it's a very easy install. This took us, I think, 30 minutes. So this is pretty easy. This is just us messing with it, seeing how it fits in here, but very easy install.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So again, thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to have a lot of stuff coming in the channel. And it's going to get close to winter time here. And we have a lot of winter content to do for you guys this year. So thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.